Welcome everyone. My name is Ryan. I host a podcast called Breathwork with Ryan that you can find anywhere you listen to podcasts. I just want to say thank you everyone for coming out today. Give yourselves a round of applause for coming out today. Everybody. We showed up today. We're hanging out. Happy Mother's Day to anyone who is a mother, has a mother, knows a mother, or will be a mother. Give it up for all the mothers out there too. A lot of love for the moms. Give it up for the earth. The earth is a mother. Yes, thank you. The Hypnic Jerks are on my side. They're going to be the band coming up after me. So I am Ryan. As I mentioned, I teach breathwork meditation. So the idea today is if you would like to calm your nervous system down, stretching it out to be a little bit more relaxed and present in your body, there's plenty of space here on the front row. We have a series of chairs. This is not going to be interactive. It's just going to be fun and very lightweight and easy. And the idea here is that many of us drive in LA with traffic, and we have constricted breathing patterns. And we learn from a young age to breathe out of fear. And so breath work helps us to clear our lungs out and to give us oxygen in certain parts of our bodies. So some of you practicing breath work today may be experiencing some tingling sensations in your extremities, like your wrists and your fingers and your hands, your toes, your ankles, and it's something like a body high. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. I hope you want to participate as much as possible. Feel free to just listen as well, because this helps all of us. We are all collectively one big nervous system, and there's a lot of nerves out there right now with stress. And so I would love you all to participate with me right now, and go ahead and let out 3 big sighs. Stephen, I heard your sigh, thank you. That was a great sigh. So letting out 3 sighs tells our body that we're turning off our motor, and we're gonna let ourselves be present in the moment. And right now, that's what we're all working towards, is being more aligned. And so one more thing I'd like us to do is to create an intention for this breathwork session. Now this sounds a little stressful, I know. Why would I want to make an intention? Ryan, I'm already breathing. Ryan, I'm still alive. Well, making an intention helps us to calm our nerves and to be more present. So making intention is something simple like an I am statement. You could say, I am grateful. I am appreciative. I am loved. I am safe. And just say it to yourself 3 times. So I would say, I am grateful. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. And now the third and final piece of this warm-up session is going to be imagining that you are connected to the earth right now, because you're gliding on the earth as you walk. And I'd like you to think about the core of the earth and what the temperature of the core is, connecting through your own tailbone. So rooting down into the earth. It's something very easy to do, just imagine the core. Imagine what that feels like and ground yourself into earth. And now whenever you're driving in traffic, whenever you're upset with your partner, whenever your boss sends you a mean, nasty, no good email, you can do those 3 exercises. You can think about grounding to the earth, you can make an I am statement, an intention, and then you can breathe 3 times. So everyone here, you've already practiced breath work. You didn't even realize you were doing it. And we're all regulating our nervous systems together. And now we're gonna actually enter an active portion of the breath work, which is gonna be all of us breathing together in unison and finding a rhythm around the community, around the neighborhood, around this area that we all are today. And the breathing pattern is a 3-part breath. It is an inhale through the belly, an inhale through the chest, and then an exhale. Inhale through the belly, inhale through the chest, exhale. Belly, chest, exhale. And you're probably thinking, Ryan, I get it. I grew up breathing since I was born. I don't need to practice breath work. And I will tell you that this will completely open you up to opportunities about just calming yourself down, de-stressing yourself, and helping to make our anxiety lessened. And so the breathing pattern goes like this. Great work right there. We got a really good pair of lungs over here on this table, just FYI. So we're now going to begin the active breathing portion. Last week I was here, I had a band playing behind me this whole time on keyboards and electric violin. So today we'll just imagine that is in the background. Now as I do this, my posture is getting better. If you try doing this, your posture will get better. You'll sit a little bit more upright. You'll put your shoulders back. That's regulating your body to be in less of a fight or flight stage. And the idea is we get into fight or flight, which is when something goes wrong, we go worst case scenario. And we want to move into more rest and digest. And so, you right there, in the black, in the chain. I'm feeling it. She's the one carrying us right now. She is breathing for all of us right now. She's collectively helping us heal. You all walking in. And to break up the energy in our bodies and the lungs, I'm feeling it in my lungs, I hope you are too. I'm gonna ask you all to let out a gigantic belly laugh. At the count of 3, can you help me with the belly laugh? Can you laugh with me? 1, 2, 3. Hypnotic jerks, can you help me here? So laughter is completely shared amongst us. It's like yawning. Are you laughing still? We can still laugh. We got somebody right here who's still laughing. It's ongoing, and you can pick this up in your car. No one's watching you laugh in your car at the absurdities of being stuck in traffic for an hour to go from downtown to Venice Beach. Let's be real. So laughing really helps break things up. And now, let's continue back into the breath work. Right here, we got the breathing canal right here, the connecting all of us. She's holding the room and the land and the tennis courts and everywhere around here together. So let's break up the breathing one more time and let out a yell. When we're kids, we get to yell all the time. I used to yell when I was a kid. I sometimes yell playing sports, and I don't get to yell in my office. I don't get to yell in my apartment or in someone's backyard. I have to mute myself and mute my behavior, and yelling is completely healthy. It's a completely great diaphragmatic exercise to help us let things out of our nerves. So at the count of 3, let's let out a collective yell. 1, 2, 3. Feel. It's still going. Still going. Heedy, heedy, heedy. Up, up, up. Down, down, down. Left, right, left, right. Woo! Thank you very much. Give it up for yourselves over there. We got Ryan and the yelling, screaming group of people over there collaborating. So now we can go back into the breathing. Oh wait, ah! Ah! Ah, ah! Oh, oh! E, e! Hooty, hooty, hooty! Heady, heady, heady! Hello! Whoa! Where do we go? Up or down? All around? In the town? Above ground? Underground? In between? Up and down? Everybody! Start lightly bouncing, 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 bouncing. Okay, now we're gonna let out a big hum. Can everyone do a practice hum with me? So the count of 3, we need everybody here to hum, okay? 1, 2, 3. I ran out of air. Okay. Now we go back. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys the most simple joke you've ever heard, and we're gonna act like it's the funniest joke in your lifetime, okay? Okay? So it's gonna be the most obvious joke in the world, and then you're gonna laugh like it's the funniest joke you've ever heard, okay? So, why did the chicken cross the playground?
Oh my gosh, why?
To get to the other slide. So when we force ourselves to laugh, what we realize is often I used to laugh on the opposite way. I would laugh inhaling, and that constricted my body. And so we want to laugh on the exhale. So I'm going to tell you another silly joke. I want you to laugh on your exhale, everyone. It's a good practice. Why did the cow cross the road?
Why?
To get to the movie theater. So if you exhale when you laugh, it actually helps us get out any stress or anxiety or stuff that's maybe not making us feel well. Even my shoulder right now, I'm feeling a little bit of tenseness because I'm not used to making this many people laugh. Typically these jokes don't go over that well. So I have to say, hey, can you laugh at this really simple joke? And now we can go back into the breath. So whenever we're stressed at school, at work, with our family, over a holiday, and we want to just regulate ourselves. So put a hand on the belly and a hand on the chest. Okay, there's a couple more minutes left. I wanted to practice the humming again. Because the humming, what it does, it opens up our diaphragm muscles to let stress out. That's stuck in our hearts and our organs. So at the count of 3, I would like us to hum together. Should we hum a song or just do a normal hum? What song would we hum today, do you think?
Bohemian Rhapsody.
Bohemian Rhapsody. Do we know Bohemian Rhapsody? Do you know it? Okay. Can you lead us in the humming? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So you feel like your diaphragm? It helps us get the stress out of our diaphragm from our bodily organs. Our diaphragms will restore a lot of stress. So breathing the right way through structure, keep going, humming, yelling, anything to help us strengthen our diaphragm muscles, which we don't do while we're driving or sitting at a desk or in a chair in school. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Bohemian Rhapsody over here, the humming sensation. All right, we're gonna do a couple more breaths together and then we're gonna end the practice. Thank you for one of the best breathers here today. Do you want to do a yell or a laugh next to finish this? Okay, we're going to do a yell and then go back into the breathing and then we're going to end the session. So at the count of 3, I had a request for a yell from over here. 1, 2, 3. Get all the wiggles and the stress out. Because it's the last yell we're gonna do today. Okay, I think the whole neighborhood woke up and they're all gonna come here. Thank you so much, everyone. Remember, this is Breathwork with Ryan. You can find me on iTunes, on Spotify, or any sort of place where you listen to podcasts. You want me to keep going?
Yes.
Oh, if we gotta keep going.
Love the screen.
Okay, you wanna do, we got a couple more minutes before the band's come on. Okay, if you guys want us to keep going, let's make a round of applause for our friends over here leading us in the yelling. Okay, do you wanna do laugh next? Or yelling? Yelling and screaming. Okay. I think we need to get Hi-Fi Pizza involved. Can Hi-Fi Pizza yell? Okay, at the count of 3, let's yell like that, okay? 1, 2, 3. So Hi-Fi Pizza, that is their signature animal sound. So whenever you want a pizza today, it sounds like a wolf. Possibly they're a wolf pack over there at Hi-Fi Pizza. So let's now look back here at the place where I got my juice earlier. What's that place called? Pupa's Pizzas? What's it called?
Papusa Salita.
Papusa Salita. Give it up for Papusa Salita. Can you make a yell for us?
Give me a sound.
Make a yell.
Give me a yelp.
Okay, at the count of 3, everyone meows like a cat. 1, 2, 3. Hey, pet yourself. We're very adorable cats. You can pet your hair. Pet your hair. We're adorable cats. Okay, what noise does the pizza place make? It's a And now we have good intentions coffee. Can you make a yell? Hoo-ah! You hear that one? I think that one deserves like a hoo-ah! Maybe stand up for this one. Hoo-ah! Hoo-ah! The count of 3, everybody just start saying hoo-ah! 1, 2, 3. Hoo-ah! 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 Okay, so we have ow, ow, ow! We have meow, meow, meow. And we have hoo-ah, hoo-ah. What about the record store? Or what about gourmet tamales? Do we have any other stores? All day Shay.
All day shit.
All day Shay. All day Shay. Can we get a yell? Can we get a yell? Just yell something. Ow! Something like that. Ow! Ow! All day Shay. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ow! Ow! Okay, so let's get back into some breathing. I think we're going to do the raffle in a minute. So ever you're stressed in the car, you're stressed at work, you don't have to close your eyes. You can do this with your eyes open. So belly, chest, exhale. Belly, chest, exhale. We're crafting air. It's like crafting beer, or crafting wine, or crafting any sort of food. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I'm so grateful for everyone coming out today. Give everyone here a ow, ow, ow. Meow, 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 meow. Hi, hi, ho. Great job, great job.